The fearless beast, a huge blow spread across the world. He kicked us out of our schools. He kicked us out of our jobs. He tormented us to a greater fear. He forced us to stay home. He isolated us. He robbed us a chance to learn new things. He robbed others a chance to see me succeed. He robbed others a second chance. He robbed others a tomorrow that would change forever. Now that you have taken them all, tell us the more you desire. Now that you have destroyed a nation, we will grant your wish. Spare our lives in a change of morals, a change in decisions, in being obedient, caring, loving, and coordination is our promise. My name is Zoleka Gwamanda. Thank you very much.